Namaste. In this video, we are discussing about sending WhatsApp messages for CAL event, CAL event bookings. Like we can send automatically to your leads in the WhatsApp for reminding we have booked the meeting with you like that. Today we will check it like how it works and how we are using. Like whenever the lead your booked meeting in your CAL, we are sending a WhatsApp message in the Atharva. This is the Atharva platform. From this WhatsApp API, we are sending to the customer, and after that, we are adding the data to our Google Sheet for reference purpose. I am booking the meeting right now. You can check it, and I'm mentioning the details. This is our agenda for the meeting. Yeah, the meeting was booked. You can check it in my WhatsApp. I got the SMS like Namaste Vijaya team. Thanks for booking with the girl, and you can check it. Like you can send the your leads by sending in the WhatsApp message reminders, and you can check it in the Google Sheet. The data is added. This is the workflow. Like whenever the booking is created in the CAL, we will get the response from there, and after that, we are doing the data formatting. Where for the WhatsApp template message for sending like this 9 a.m. and August 13 for this format, we are doing this, and after that, we are sending the lead in the WhatsApp, and after that, we are adding the data to Google Sheet for references, and that's all about this video. Thank you.